We'll go over there in that house, my sister-in-law house, my husband sister. So they have, I think, 4 or 5 trees of plums, and they have abundance of fruits of plums. So I will go there. I will go from here. And these are our corns, mashallah. Oh, mashallah, our corns. And yesterday I get this green leafy vegetables crumb. You see, as you can see the leaves, mashallah. Yung kamatis namin and eggplants, and I think this is green chilies, and this our tori, or what you call it, sponge guard. And you see this tree of apples, abundance fruits of green apples. That's why it's already broken, the broken one branch of this apple tree. It's already broken. Yan. So many green fruits, but still not time to harvest this one by September. So that is our house over there. Fatma is looking to langga. And this is cucumber, mashallah. And this is bitter gourd. First time I plant this bitter gourd. Yan. I don't know what is this. This one bitter gourd o ampalaya. Really. Yan. Yan. You see our eggplants. There is already flowers. Eggplants, you see. Very nice flowers of eggplants. Vegan. Ayan yung flowers niya. And this crumb, there is already also flowers. Yellow flowers of crumb. And also these tomatoes. There is already flowers also. Ayan o. And also this one, this is tomato also. Ayan, may flowers din. So I will go from here. I will go from here. And there is also way over there. Our goats, some goats is there. And already had this babies. They come already here. Oh, mashallah. Our goats. Oh, now lacking to because we give Korbani last June 7. Ayan. These are all he goats there. Na? One is baby, girl. This one, I think this one no dar na. Yeah. This one is girl. And this brown, I think this one last two brown is last January 7. And this one also, this one is January 11. And this one, this one, and this one, and this one is last April 2. Ayan. But mashallah, they grow very fast. Mother are where is mother? Where other mother? 3 mothers is there over there. Oh, there. You cannot see over there. Mother is there. Oh, 3 mothers there, brown and this black and this black and white. Oh. Also this apple here too much, also fruits. Oh, ayan. Oh. Yan din, oh, dami, oh. Last year talaga, no, there is no fruits. But this year, mashallah, so many fruits of apples. But this can be harvested on September. Also over there, oh. That is also apples. Yun. Oh, lapit natin. Lalapit tayo. Ayan. Oh, yan. Oh. Daming bunga, di ba? Also this one, small tree, but there is also some fruits. Yan, oh, dami. Ayan, lapitan natin. And also this one, oh. Daming bunga. So I will go over there, oh. As you can see, the plums, fruits of plums. And there is one tree also of, what is that? Pears. So I will go from here. My husband is putting now water here in our vegetables. Now taking about our vegetables. That's why our vegetables, they are healthy. That's because putting water here. Morning also you put water here there or no? Only afternoon. Now I will go here down. Ah? Huh? Watering our vegetables, different vegetables, green chilies, this one, these are green leafy vegetables, and tomatoes, eggplants, and what is more here there? Capsicum, there, this one, and also our corns. You'll not put water. No need water here in our corn. So I'm here already in our fields of corns. Yan. Now, as you can see, the tree of apple, but you cannot see nice here. It's ayan, ayan. Because already time check is 4:30 p.m. So you cannot see nice the fruits, green fruits. So we'll go over there because that is tree of plums. Ayan, oh.